Tanan nga tim tatagan naton hin chance nga makapagpa-picture it atong
May
guest.
mo photo opportunity together with our guest.
Sige, ayaw lang mo pagkuhan na, ayaw mo pag-persa. Ayaw lang pag-persa. Niyan, may naka mo chance.
Sige. Ano, andam na ko, magdaw ka na 35,000? Diri pa, kung diri pa, sige, panguli na ka mo, ma-open na aga aton nga tanan. Balita. Should I speak English? Diri. Yung bayaran na ko, waray-waray. Sige.
Honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. But each may be able to share his or her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us.
Hello. Maupayaga tayo asan Villarreal. Kares lang ang nagpapasalamat ako iyo sumali kayo sa paro namin. Saka nagpapasalamat ako sa barangay captain sa konsel niya. Saka sa mga SQ po sa Drum, sa PNP, Villarreal. Kaya mga salamat. Ang wala ito, kasalamat lang eh.
Thank you so much.
Hindi ko pala. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Sir Jerome Sablawan, for this momento. And 15,000 for our barangay. So paniguro ka mo ha, kaya makakabulig ako ng barangay. First prize, 30,000 and 10,000 for the barangay. For second prize, 25,000 and 5,000 for the barangay. And the third prize will be 15,000 and 5,000 for your barangay. And also we have our best in news. Best news. Kailangan dati mag-twerk niyan itong atong mga news. Ito. It's someone kaya lagi kami nurustod mag-news. May news ang buhayan. Oray, ako na lang niya. Ako na lang. May dalawa kita best in uniform. Wala na ka mga kamot, wala ka mga nanay. Next, the stitches of the line will be the Barangay Lamingao. is Barangay Central. May na Barangay San Fernando. Next is sige, ako na lang magre-referee para okay. And also like to request Sir Jerome Elvano to please join us for this photo opportunity.
Kuya, di ka nakikita. Ay, Jerry!
Now, Sitio Balarigan, are you around? Alright. Barangay Mahaya. Mahaya. Oh, Ma'am Sabit.
Oh, sabi, ito na, sabi.
Ma'am Sabit.
I say your name. A barangay, say a barangay. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide all the rules of the games, that I will respect all calls and decisions of the referees and game officials, and that I will act at all times as a true sportsman whose to wait is all can to love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Barangay Andrea. So, adding natin ground rules. Number 1, only registered voter of barangay is qualified to play in this tournament. So, ang usang requirement, kinahanglan niya registered voter. Hello. Para dire, ano pa rin usa, may itong isang barangay.
Chris Lapurat PPA. Next, Mr. Melvin Natividad. Sir Melvin Natividad. And also we have Sir Ramir Gakura. So, siya'y nihira itong aton mga referees. Mr. Tyrus, do you have anything to say?
Hello everyone. You guys ready to play or what? I just want to say thank you guys for having me out here. You know, it's my first time out here. It was a long journey, not gonna lie. I'm from Manila, obviously. I just want to say, keep the game clean, please. Keep the game clean. No dirty fouls, please. I already know how that goes. And just have fun, alright? Alright? There you go.
Oh, the best in uniform. No other time, Pepe! Palakpakan! Makakarating 5,000 pesos. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Zab Halmano. Photographer, please. There you have it. So we have 35 teams. Sige. Ang makakapulutan pareho number 1 hiraan siya na mag-uulag. Nagahiton ka 17. Sige. Ang alay mo rin paglilistahan yun nila, may dapat maglilista. Hawak ato na. Ay sige sir. Nangaralan ko na lang. Sige, sige pulot na ka mo. Santo Niño number 5. PNP number 2. PNP number 2, sige, yun ito. Mahayag 4. Ano na mahayag? Ano yung mahayag good? Kasi mahayag 4. Then, ano naman, 7. For Barangay Sulibad, 11. Tama? Officially open. So, we'll start our event at exactly
Hi!